If you have ever tried to drag an Excel file directly into NotebookLM and nothing happened, or you ran straight into an error message, you are definitely not alone. NotebookLM just flat out does not accept .xlsx files natively. I know it can be super frustrating, but don't worry because I am going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to bypass this limitation right now. So here I am inside the NotebookLM dashboard. I will go ahead and click Add Source, select the option to upload from my computer, and try to grab this Excel file, which is just a standard sales spreadsheet I put together. But take a look at that. The file does not even show up as an option, even though I am looking inside the exact folder where I saved it. That is because .xlsx simply isn't a supported format here. So what is the workaround? Well, the absolute easiest fix is to just open up your Excel file, navigate up to the File menu, click Save As, and choose the folder where you want to store it. Then in the Save As type drop-down menu right here, switch the format to CSV. I highly recommend picking CSV UTF-8 because it handles data formatting the best. After that, just hit Save. Now, let's head back over to NotebookLM, click Add Source, choose Upload File, and this time select that newly created CSV version. And boom, look at that, it uploads instantly. Just like that. NotebookLM will process and read the entire dataset, and just like that, you are officially good to go. Now, if your spreadsheet relies heavily on specific formatting, visual layouts, or charts that you absolutely want to preserve, you will want to go with the PDF route instead. To do that, open your spreadsheet and go to File again, click Save As, choose your destination folder, and under the Save As Type menu, select PDF. Then simply hit Save, and that is all there is to it. Back inside NotebookLM, it is the exact same process. Click Add Source, upload your new PDF, and it processes without a hitch. This is actually a fantastic option if your file has multiple sheets because a PDF captures everything visually exactly how you designed it. And here is a fantastic bonus tip if your team already lives inside Google Drive. You can simply upload your raw Excel file straight to your Google Drive account. Once it is uploaded, right-click the file, hover over Open With, and select Google Sheets. Google will automatically convert the file into a native sheet for you. Then, when you are back in NotebookLM and click Add Source, just choose the Google Drive option right here. Locate your newly converted Google Sheet and insert it. Done. NotebookLM pulls the data straight from your drive seamlessly. Personally, I would recommend using a CSV if you are dealing with raw data and a PDF if you need to maintain a specific visual layout. If this quick walkthrough saved you some time, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I have plenty more NotebookLM tips and workflows heading your way soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.